Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alex Delgado Forever. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your Sega Genesis. And this is going to be a step-by-step video, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here is the console itself. And so before we set up, I want to go through some of the materials. You would need this controller, this AC adapter, and then this. One of these cords you plug in the TV. And then this. Well, first of all, I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you gotta do is, you see this little notch over here? Well, this slot goes right, it's right over here. All the way in the back of the console, you just plug it in. So take this slot and just jiggle it all in there. There. You plug that in. And then this slot right here, well, the AC adapter has this little cord here, this yellow bit, and then you plug this in. There, like that. There, now the back is all plugged in. Now all you have to do is just plug the controller in. Hold on, just take a minute, guys. Alright, so we gotta plug this slot in here. Like that. There. Now everything is plugged in. Okay guys, one real quick tip. So, on your TV there's a yellow, white, and red outlet here. Well, just, you guys know the rules. Just take these and plug in the yellow and red for video. And then the white for audio. There. Okay guys, since I got the 3 colored outputs into the TV, now all you have to do is just charge this AC adapter and just plug it right in, like so. There, now you're all set to play the game. Okay, now we finally got everything set up. One thing you have to do, just plug in your cartridge into the slot where the top is, and then you're all set to play. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any of my other videos. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at AlexDelgado780. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a nice time. Bye.